Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get this blue eyeshadow look. I'm using the Melt Blueprint palette, which is absolutely stunning. So if you want a step-by-step tutorial on how I use this palette to get this look, then keep on watching. I'm starting with this e.l.f. eyelid tape to make sure I get a really clean line. If you have hooded eyes and are just starting to do dramatic eye looks, this tape is a game changer. I'm taking Hammered on a detail crease brush, the E33 from Sigma. I've found that the smaller crease brushes work best for hooded eyes because you can be very precise with the placement. You don't need a lot of pressure when applying this dark color. Lay down the color to create the wing against the tape. I'm also bringing this same color into my outer corner, as well as bringing it higher up so that you can see the color when my eyes are open. I also like to look down to make sure I get the color all the way into the hood of my eye. As you can see, I'm really taking my time to make sure everything is well blended and precise. Next, take another blending brush. I'm using the E42 from Sigma. Go into Dim Out and start building up the color in the outer corner and bring it into the lowest part of the wing, right next to the tape. This will create more depth and give you a nice fade. Now take that same color on a dense shadow brush and pack it on the middle and outer half of the lid. Again, if you have hooded eyes, make sure you pack the color on the entire lid. I'm going above my fold. Keep looking ahead to make sure you can see the color with your eyes open. Take another clean, flat brush. I'm using a Nabla N204. Go into King's Stud and place that on the center of the lid. This is such a gorgeous blue. With another clean, flat brush, place Deadbolt from the middle of the lid into the inner corner. Feel free to build this color up so it really stands out. Using a detail brush or your fingers, place Skylight in the inner corner for brightness and a pop of light shimmer. I love this color. Now for the lower lash line. Take a flat brush. I'm using the Sigma E15. Dip into Dim Out and place it on the outer edge of the lower lash. Make sure the color meets up with the upper lid along the line of the tape. Using the same brush, mix together King's Stud and Deadbolt and line the middle of the lower lash line. Finish off with Skylight on a detail brush on the inner lower lash line. Take off the tape and look at that wing. If you like where it is, you're done. I wanted a bit more definition above my crease, so I took Hammered on my blending brush, the E33 from Sigma, and blended the color above the crease. And here's the finished look. The only thing I added off camera were my lashes, as well as this Urban Decay eyeliner in ink in my waterline. If you like the video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, and please go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any upcoming videos. I hope you're having a wonderful day wherever you are, and I'll see you next time.